So then when I scrub it, it turns soapy.
Careful ha, masamad ka. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. I'm doing the dishes. Flies are annoying me.
There's fly. Let's outside. Sige na.
Soap.
Ay, nako. Hindi ta makasave og soap nimo. Be. Look, the secret here. Put the soap here, look. Put the soap there. And then, do that. Put it here. Like that. And then do that. Sorry, not. Yeah, look. But you better use the sponge than that one.
No.
Then put the spoon there so that it will be so easy to wash. Come on. Talk to the guys while you're doing that.
What?
Talk to the guys while you're talk to the guys while you're washing. Tell them the story, whatever, I don't know.
It's my turn to be washing the dishes. So I just so I'm doing the dishes right now. Trying to get this off.
Why? What your mom been doing?
My mom been doing the dishes. So that means it's my turn to do the dishes.
What's your mom doing right now?
She's always watching her phone.
Ay, sabat na.
How about this? Come on. Oh, I got an idea. Okay. This. Pour that. Pour it really. Thank you. Over here. Over here, just. Aha, what if I pour the whole thing? I got no bucket back. How do I get this off? Okay, try sponge now. I'm trying to get this off.
What?
That.
It won't come off. That's how it is. Stain na na. Come on. Enough na. Pastilan. 1 plate, 1 hour. Katawar ba? Pagdali. Careful ha kay Mac-1 ha. Hala, natuwad mo na ni mo. Ano sa'y tuwad? This one, natuwad this one. What is tuwad?
Fall down.
Ayo! Ay, naku po. Wala yung dalang dula. Sige na, next.
Next.
This one, do that, oh, instead of that. Look at the chia.
What was you?
Did you talk to the guys? Nothing.
Yeah.
Sa muka. Uy, dugay, magkamahuman. Be! Di na ko eh. Magkakabalo. Di ka kabalo?
They're not.
Mama na lang bisa mo. Dugay kay ka eh.
Okay, let me go.
Ibalik ng bangko na.
What?
Ibalik ang bangko.
Okay, balik.
You only finish one. Oh, Dennis. You practice, kihapit na ka madalaga. Alas ka iguan ay sabon. Isa ka plato ang tag sa oras. Mama to the rescue. Come on. Ang trabaho inahan eh. Wala round. Wala. Puno ng hayan. Wala na ko eh. Wala na yung lugar. Muna, maingon mo. Mama rako ra. Nga, mama man magkuhan sa balay. Buhat tanan. Joke lang. Di bita pa magbuhat eh. Talagsara ko malihok. Aw. Si daddy ang kuan. Tigluto. Dennis. Dennis. Huy.
Yeah.
Kalat pa more. Look at that.
Bob.
Huy. Manghipos ta karon ha para di ta makasabang daddy. Bunalan tarong daddy do ha. Hi, thank you for watching guys. Maura good to nang hugas rag plato si Dennis doing the dishes. 1 plate in 1 hour. So mommy to the rescue. So I just finish it off. So taod we'll tidy up all the mess so that daddy won't get mad. So have a good day everyone guys and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Dennis Marie's Journey. Bye!